Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I don't really know when you'll see this. I know that one of the items that I'm going to unbox for you today sadly has gone back. She and I were not simpatico. We were not best friends, so yeah, it's sad. Let's have a moment of silence. Okay, moment's over. It's just that when you spend any amount of money and it doesn't work, you keeping it is not going to make that feel any better because you're never going to use it. So I just don't do that. I will correct myself and say I have done that. That's why I know now not to do that at all. So anyway, I have 3 items for you today, and let's just get right into it. I have already worn these, but I boxed them back up so you guys could get the full effect. They at least deserve that. I've been on a quest, as you know, for slides. Every year in spring, I do get something on my mind, and I'm just focused on that thing, and I want this one and that one, and I do that so many times. So my quest for Gucci slides has ended with these because I like them. This is not the item that's going back. I've actually worn these. I'm going to wear them again today, but I wanted to show them to you because they are gorgeous. Now, I went to DSW Designer Shoe Warehouse and found a ladies pair in pink, the rubber slides, all rubber, with the Gucci stamped in it. I got a 39. The top of my foot was like, oh no, I mean, it just wouldn't even go past there. Sent those back immediately. Got another pair, decided to go with men's because, you know, there'd be more room. Got a blue pair with the GG's stamped. They're rubber. They were rubber again and stamped all over them. I tried those. They did fit me, and lengthwise, I think I got a 6 or a 7 in men's because they run kind of big. But yeah, I got my foot in them, but this little back part right here on the top of my foot, I mean, it immediately left a mark, and there was no way. No, she got to go back. So I kept seeing these, and I was like, oh, is she worth it? Should I do it? I did it. So I just kept on and kept on. I did have another problem with, I bought the Tory Burch, kind of like, they weren't slides, they were like Miller Cloud sandals, which I loved. I loved the look of them. I actually wore them. They were amazing. I bought 2 pairs so I could, you know, size compare them. The one that worked, every time I walked, it made a sound. And I don't know about y'all, but that's not cute. I don't want to be walking around and people like, did you just pass gas, old lady? Like, no, not today, devil. No, ma'am. I can't go there. So I sent those back, both pairs. I know, and I love the look of them. I love the feel of them, but that sound, it's where my arch is high, and the way they make the shoe, air gets trapped in there. I mean, I know the reasoning behind it. I'm just powerless to stop it from happening. So yeah, farty sounds from shoes. We will never go there. Nope, not for fashion or anyone else. Love or money. So, that didn't end my quest, girl. I went, and Yota kept saying, you should get the Gucci blooms. Well, I was on Etsy one day, and I saw a pair of Gucci blooms. Right? Are you guys like, oh no, I know how this story ends. And I put them in my cart. They were about half price. A little over half price of what Gucci had them for. But I was like, well, these are great. I mean, they say they're Gucci. They look like they're Gucci. Maybe they fell off a truck. Maybe this person just, you know, is being a kind person. They wore them. They can't, I don't know. I don't know what the story was, but I ordered them. Wah, wah. They never came. I had to get my money back. So I have been down the road on these Gucci slides, girl. And slides in general. But All right, let me show you which ones I got. So luxe. Look at this. Cute. Little dust bag for your shoes. I got these. Look at these little jewels, honey. Oh, girl. These are the Ken Scott. I think they used to call him the, back when he was a designer in the 60s and 70s, I read somewhere that he was like the landscaper or gardener designer because he used a lot of flowers and botanical stuff in his designs. And I guess that's one of his floral prints that he used. And then what caught my eye, though, on these was the pink and the green. I got to be honest with you. And you guys know that I'm into blue right now, so that blue is one of my favorite blue colors. So I got these. They fit 39s. I love them. I have worn the heck out of these so far, you can tell. But I'm still into these big time. So I thought I would share those with you. Okay. So let's move on to my Fashionphile. I'm just going to tell you, it was a Fashionphile fail. Wah, wah. I am super sad about this because I really wanted this to work out in the worst way. But sadly, it did not work out. As you see, all of the Fashionphile accoutrement. And what did she get? Okay, girl. Tiny bag. TBF. Tiny bag flex. You know, Cassie says TBE, tiny bag energy. I like that. But I'm going to go with TBF. Tiny bag flexing. So I got this from Fashionphile. And it is the cutest. Girl, don't make me fall in love with this again. Ugh, what's happening? No, no, no. She's got to go. But this color was denim. And it's leather, of course. It's the calfskin grained leather, I guess they call it. Smells good, too. And it was almost in new condition. Everything came with this little bag. It's got the original dust bag from Saint Laurent. It's got the cards and all the care cards and authenticity cards in there. Wow. And it has this strap that also comes with it, which does well on me. And I looked at this and I tried it on, and I think it's adorable. I think it's cute. I love it. I'm just not like, oh, I've got to carry it right now. You know, it wasn't one of those things where, oh, let me go ahead and get this on and carry it and show everybody and wear it proudly. I just wasn't. And it's blue because, you know, I'm having a real thing with blue. But and it's got silver hardware. It's just, I want one eventually, but I really think I want red. I don't know. But it's not the time for me for this bag. But she is cute. I don't know. But she's going back. Like I said, by the time you guys actually see this video, she'll be probably sold to another buyer and they'll be happy as happy can be. But this bag was almost, with tax and all, $1,200 from Fashionphile. So I did a stupid thing. I took the money that I've been saving for my dream it bag, the Chanel bag. I took it and just went ahead and I put this on layaway, but still I ended up using the money to pay for it out of my savings for my Holy Grail bag. So I need to put that money back and keep saving for my Chanel bag because she's not the one. Goodbye. I'll miss you. Auf Wiedersehen. Parting is such sweet sorrow. And the last item that I need to show you guys, I got this idea. I didn't find this. It was just, I was watching, you know, as I do, watch a lot of YouTube. People in my house, I actually canceled cable because I was like, we're not even watching cable. Nobody watches cable in my house. So I actually just canceled that, but with Netflix and everything else and YouTube, anyway, I was perusing around YouTube and I found Rochelle, which I watch her on the regular. I'm going to link her her actual video that prompted me to buy this, because she's prompted me to buy a few things, and they're always good deals because she keeps her eyes peeled for designer luxury things, but at a good deal. And this was like the cheapest thing that you could get from YSL. So this came straight from YSL, girl, and it was $65. Pretty substantial too for $65. And like the thumbnail said, I bought a tote from YSL, from Saint Laurent, for $65. That's right, a tote bag. Let me just show you what it is. So yeah, she was the catalyst behind this. I can't take the credit for it. Comes nicely packaged in their black tissue. Let's see. Oh, I see that my husband's been into this. Because I didn't touch it and it was nicely packaged. So I see that he's looked at this. So great. When I say don't tell my husband, don't tell him nothing, because God dog it. But anyway, it came in a beautiful box. Came with the little cards. I was wondering, this is not the packaging that it came in, because the tissue was so wrapped. I was going to show you how beautifully wrapped it was. It had a little YSL sticker on the top, but bulls in china shop around here, hun. So anyway, here's the box. I mean, this is a nice box. $65 worth of packaging, if you ask me. But check this out. It's got this little inside of it, this little, another little sticker, and they tamped or rolled it down nicely. Ooh, girl, what did she get? I got a $65 YSL shopping tote, a tote bag that's really cute. I think they have almost, I want to say anywhere from 15 to 20 different designs in this. I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out and get one. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little shopping tote that has the Saint Laurent on the bottom. Saint Laurent, however you want to say it, however you do say it, because I don't know. But mine, I got the one with the lips all over it. So cute. Now, I noticed one thing about this. Let me look inside of here and see. No, it's just packaging. So, Rochelle, when she opened hers, of course, she lives in Hawaii, so, you know, things are different in Hawaii. Like, they get better deals, I think, and their stuff comes a little different than our stuff. But she actually got the tote bag inside of a dust bag. So, she really kind of got two YSL tote bags for the price of $65, which I thought, when she said that, I was like, sold, I'm in, where do I sign? So I immediately went on there and got it. But I did not get the outer dust bag. I mean, it makes sense. They did well. Like I said, the packaging alone is probably worth 20 bucks. But yeah, I got this little shopping tote. So yes, girl, yes. All right, honey. I just wanted to do this really quickly. Big ups to my daughter for buying me this Mamacita shirt. It's supposed to be, it's Topo Chico, which is my favorite drink. The mineral water from Mexico. I drink it all the time. Like, I'm a little too addicted to that stuff. It got me off soda, though, guys. So, props. The only place I can find it is Walmart around here. Anyhow, neither here nor there. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week. And listen, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Would you put, I mean, I'm saying, I don't know if I want to put groceries in here, but maybe. I don't.
Surely not another bag. Come on now. We got to have a little discussion. This has got to stop, or I'm leaving. I'm tired of this. I've told you time and time again.
Oh